Hello everyone, welcome to the Universal Classroom. In today's video, we will explain what is an Excel, how to create a new file in Excel, and almost everything about the user interface of the Excel. We will teach Excel in a very simple language so that everyone can learn it easily. It will be helpful for everyone from scratch to advanced level. So let's start. First, we are opening the Excel, and how we can we open it? Just go to the Windows that start button. Just click on it, and here in the productivity section, you can find the Excel, or in the app section also you can find the Excel. And the other way to do this is just type Excel in the search bar. Here it is, and just click on it. So the Excel is open now. So here is the Excel. Currently I'm using the Excel 2019 version. All the things will remain almost same in all the versions from 2006 to 2024, and maybe in the upcoming versions also. There will some minor changes in the UI and working only. But rest assured that if you will learn this version, then you will be able to work on all previous and upcoming versions. Okay. So first thing is, what is an Excel? Okay, Excel is a software or platform from Microsoft Corporation. It is used for maintaining the data and to do the analysis. And Excel organizes data in form of grids of row and columns, creating cells where you can input numbers, text, and formulas. And Excel is designed to perform calculations, to analyze the data, and to present the information in a clear and organized way. Let's start creating a new workbook. Here are three options: home, new, and open. We will click on the new. Okay, it's at the now click on the blank workbook. So here's the first workbook, and we will explain the different sections here. You can see in different places like file, home, insert. File we have checked. Okay, home. In the home section there are multiple things we can do, like copy paste. It is the format, we can say it, font of the data which we will enter in the cells. Okay, and it's a size, to merge, wrap the text, journal. It is the format of the text, number, or whatever you will enter in the cells. Okay, and in the insert section there is pivot table. We will cover these things in the upcoming videos. And you can also insert the pictures, you can draw the graphs. Here's the page layout. Okay, uh, it is used for taking the printouts or making the PDF of the Excel file. That how will they look? Okay, in the formulas there are multiple things we can do, like auto sum. These are basically the mathematic formula and other logical things we can use to analyze the data. Okay, and that's all here. Now where we will enter the data in this is the these are the cells. Okay, here we can enter the data. Each blank space where we can give data input is a cell, and each cell has a specific address. That address can be seen here. It's the name box. Okay, we can see it address book to understand easily. Okay, here are two things in the cell. A, B, C. These are alphabetic values, okay, and they are numeric values also. So what does A denotes? A denotes the column, like first column, second column, third column, fourth column type things. Okay, and these are rows: first row, second row, third row, fourth row. Okay, and wherever we'll go, randomly click. Like I'm randomly clicking here. It's H column and 7 row. See, it's saying you can. It is visible in the address book. Okay, and this is the formula bar. Okay, here uh, we will see what we have entered in the cell. It can be a formula, or it can be normal text or a number, whatever it will be. It will be visible here, and this can be used to analyze the formula in the cell, that how will it work, or we can see flow of solution of that formula. Like if you want to randomly go on the jet2, just simply type add and jet2 in the address bar, and here it is. It will automatically move the cursor to there. Okay, so here it is seed one mentioned. Okay, there can be multiple seeds in a workbook. The whole file is a workbook, and there can be multiple seeds you can add in a workbook to maintain the different data and to later on analyze it. Okay, and how will we create new set? Just click on the plus sign here. Okay, just click it, and here it is seed 2. You can create multiple, and how will we name it? Just like this seat one, just double click on it and name the seat. For example, I'm naming it as raw, and the other one is final. Okay, this is how it will work. And here is one quick toolbar option. It can be used for undo, redo, saving the files, or by clicking this arrow. You can also customize it and just click on, like if you want to create new file shortcut here, just click on new. Here it is visible now. Now if you will click on it, it will make a new workbook for you. Okay, to understand the undo and redo option, I will entering some values in the cells, just for an example, taking the random values. Okay, okay, let's see now. What is this option? It will undo, and you can type the like if you will click one time, then it will go back to one input back. Okay, and what is this? This is a redo option. Like if you have deleted this, okay, and deleted Rahul or the last input from here, if you will click this, it will come up. Okay, and by using this you can just go to any step. Okay, and one more thing here, this is the ribbon section. It is known as the ribbon section. Just one thing, I'm highlighting these things. This is the ribbon section where you can see the toolbar. Okay, now if you want to hide this ribbon section, then just simply click it here, or you can see it showing control plus F1. You can also use the shortcut key on by pressing the key, keyboard. Okay, just click on this arrow. See, it's invisible now. Okay, and how will be visible now. How you make it visible? Just go to any tab like insert, just click on it, and if you will move the mouse cursor to this here's the pin the ribbon option. Okay, just click on it and it will be freezed here. Okay, and now how will we save this file? We have to save the work also. Just click on the file tab. Okay, here are two options, save and save as. Both are different things. For the first time, when we have created a new file or a workbook, then we have to use save as options. After then, if we are editing a saved file, in that case we have to use the save option just to save the work or the save the update that we have done. Okay, so click on save as. I'm just saving it on the PC desktop. Okay, you can save it anywhere on name book one. Okay, and the file name will be shown here. If you will save the file as like randomly abc file, so it will show as abc excel. Okay, and like if you have entered some more values or you have updated your sheet, so how will we do it? Just like for example abc you have typed. Okay, now you can use the save option for this, so that this work also will be updated in this set. And how will we reopen the previous work? Here is an option, it's open, and just click on it, and in this page it will show our saved files, and you can just normally click on any file and it will open that file. So there you have it. We have explained almost everything that is in the user interface of Excel. I hope you find the video helpful. For learning Excel, refer to our upcoming videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future Excel tips and tricks. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or suggestions regarding this video or upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.